big outcomes that I've observed that started to come to fruition in our final dinner was around the appreciation of the work that the people had done and gone through, the experiences that we'd put the people through, that actually transitioned straight into the businesses. And it's actually fundamentally changed the businesses from before those executives came to the course. That's what I'm seeing. Not a little bit, it's a fundamental shift. To put together a course in the hope that that's going to happen is one thing. To actually do it and observe people doing it, it gives a real sense of, sense of accomplishment, I suppose, in terms of making a difference in the lives of the people. That's what it is.
We've done what we do best for as long as we can. Now we're learning from you guys. And in the last month or two, our conversations have changed.
Yep.
Things we're talking about have changed.
We look at our staff differently.
Looking at everything under a different light. Still got a lot to learn and remember, but it has certainly changed our way of thinking.
It's been like we've never, I guess, immersed ourselves in this world of business and finance. Like, it's not in our realm that we've ever dealt with before, and just some of the insights are insane.
I'd ask them to have a really, really good kind of internal conversation with themselves about whether they're going to do this themselves. Without coming here, are you actually going to do this piece? And I suppose what's the cost of not doing it? You know, what's the cost of another 3 years of just letting it kind of happen and treading water, as opposed to having a clear goal and a plan together.
In 3 years, I would say to myself, I hope you did the work that you said you were going to do, because your life will be easier and better, and hopefully you will have some more money in the bank account, because it's a solid plan.